What is going on, everybody? Today's episode is going to be real fun. We are headed out to ELKO, Nevada to ride with the legendary Joe Gill and the HCO High Country Octane Film crew. I learned about these guys on Facebook over the summer. They're an eclectic group of guys, pretty badass, just real kind of local legend kind of guys. I'm real excited to go hang out with them. I've ridden with Joe a couple times this year. Hands down one of my favorite people to ride with. No one can match his stoke. Joe's coming down to pick me up right now. We're gonna make the 4-hour drive from Truckee out to ELKO. We're gonna go ride in the Ruby Mountains, man. All right, we're out here in the garage. Main feeder, she's down. We're not taking her. We're taking the backup sled, my 2000 RMK 800. It's a Gen 2, 136 track. I got the upgraded Players gripper skis on her. Yeah, you know it's good. She's got a lot of free play though. We gotta fix that at some point. 136 track. She's got some good lugs on her though, not too bad. Come around here, we'll pop the hood. Check it out, dude. Polaris 800. Got the SLP pipe. We're gonna need it this weekend. I believe it's the full pipe, Y pipe. I believe it's the full pipe, Y pipe expansion and silencer. She's a pretty clean sled, as you can see. Not a lot of grease or dirt. I bought this off a guy for 500 bucks last year. He said he blew up the bottom end. It's got the big bearing kit is in here and the extra oiler. It's also got no exhaust valves. This is before motors had those. Well, at least before the Polaris RMK had it. The next chassis up, the Edge chassis, it did come with exhaust valves. This sled is a reed case. As you can see down there, it's got reeds. Joe and the HCO rig just pulled up. You're telling me I got my work cut out for me this weekend?
I think you do. I think you do, Ben. I'm all about the old iron. Definitely about the old iron with a... Is that a 116? 121?
136.
Oh, okay. You got a mountain sled.
Yeah. The guys in ELKO have got it figured out. No more hurt backs. Work smarter, not harder, right?
Right. Yeah. We're durability testing those weak link Arctic Cat steering posts.
Yeah, don't. Just gonna send it.
I swear HCO Films, never a dull moment, ever.
Mountain goats.
Oh, so we got mountain goats, we got bighorn sheep, and almost if on cue, the bighorn sheep will hang out right in this area. Where are you at? Right there. Right up on the skyline, she's standing out on the rock there.
Sure wouldn't be a day in the mountains if you didn't run into something like this. Time to get lamoilized. Sled's pulling way under an RPMs, but I'm just gonna send it. I gave her all she's got. This is all she's got.
feeling it, just like walk down to that part, looking up.
Okay.
I'll do it 3 or 4 times. Did you hit it a few times?
Yeah.
Was anyone filming?
No.
Okay, then we'll switch up.
All right.
And I'll get you.
For you, Cameron.
So I just want to end on.
Just want to say the Gen 2 made it to 10,000 feet.
In fact, you're watching me and watching me coming up, seeing that I was. Dan Gardner's boondocker drop right there. 7 on a Gen 2 99.
Found this pretty fun little tree section on the way out. Finally getting the RPMs I should, so it feels pretty good. Well, I'm getting the around the RPMs I should.
Alright.
See, dude, I can't get rid of this thing. When it pulls, it rips.
The more you're ripping.
Here I'm only getting 7. I still got another 1,000 left.
Yeah. But we're
just died. Hey, I'm pretty sure the corn feeder's out of corn. Oh, I need to get my body out from underneath it.
Are you trying to hold it up?
No, I just got stuck in a bad spot.
Do I need to lift up so you can move?
No, I mean, yeah, but...
Ben ran out of gas because I told him he had enough to go hot rodding the hill.
He inspired confidence.
That's what I do. I inspire Hashtag Side Hill Gill, inspiration.
Confidence builder.
Oh. God, you could like look down in there and literally see like, I mean, you put your face there.
Oh, I get my arm down there, yeah, when my stuff breaks it.
Classic HCO out here riding on a milk bottle a day, and we're all on the hill. We're not stuck.
This is the story of how Ben got everybody stuck on the hill.
Joe's blaming me for getting him stuck. Yeah.
I got 340 problems, and being overpowered isn't one of them.
I almost high marked Joe. I got pretty close. Oh, not bad.
Hey, Spencer! You just gotta figure your line is something between calculated and just hit it, pussy!
I came through here pretty fast, busting off limbs. Boom, making a mess. Sled's down there. Stopped it in time though. HCO Joe over there.
I missed the 162!
He misses his 162 and I miss about 100 horsepower. Storm's rolling in hard. It's time to head home. Not gonna lie to you folks, a little scary right now. Zone I've never been in before. White out. Following HCO Joe. A little crazy. Want to say thanks for watching today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. Let me know if you want me to. All right.
I think it's loaded up with fuel. I've had straight for the truck.
To the truck.